the people of the NDO that because of flood control, we remove the bypass roads of the city. Yeah, that is the problem. When I go back to them, what will happen? This will be dead ends. The 5 years of work in these bypass roads will end this year. And when will it be removed? So I am asking, appealing to the Secretary. Can you restore this? This is already funded for 5 years. Zero for 2026. Now how can we have that?
Mr. Chairman, I am double-checking po ngayon with our planning office. Mukha po nangyari dito na sama po siya sa paglilinis dahil it was looked at as multiple packages. We will
of course, it will be multiple packages because it's a very long cost. It is about 26 kilometers cost. But finish only, the first phase is finished in the season. Ito ka 9 years, but ito finish. Because every year, dito, wala.
Mr. Chairman, I was just discussing right now with the planning office. So we will find a way to restore this and work with the Committee on Operations to restore some that the lion's share of those were.
Yes, that is our appeal. We appeal, we have the order of